Y'all are killers.
We're just trying to get this
Y'all
taken
are
care
killers.
of. They have a job.
I don't care.
If you're wondering why that woman sounds this angry, this is what happened earlier that year. February 3rd, 2024, Carroll Stream, DuPage County, Illinois. Inside the Village Brook Apartments on East Street Charles Road, officers respond to a reported domestic violence call. Within minutes of breaching a private bedroom door, Isaac Goodloe III is shot and killed.
What's up? What do you see? We got shots fired? Hands up.
Yeah, shots fired.
Troy, 30 got shots fired. Send the medics this way. Cover them up, cover them up. I got people.
Get out there.
Check behind you. Keep your eyes open.
Fuck.
Can you see back there?
Look at that. Hey, what's the light switch? Light switch.
To the light. Where's the medics? Roll.
I already called for him.
Roll towards you. Roll towards you.
Where's he at?
It's in front. Get him on the back. Get him on the back.
Get him on his back. Get him on his back.
Grab his legs. Grab his legs.
Is this self-inflicted or what?
No. All right. Are you hit? Are you good? Check him. You good? I think that was a taser problem.
Check his breathing.
You hit?
Check his breathing.
Okay.
Are you okay physically? Are you physically okay?
Let me clear.
Here, let's do some aid. here.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Gloves. Give me some gloves.
You guys advise where you want the medics to go?
In the apartment.
Okay. Correct.
4 months later, after prosecutors declined to file criminal charges, protesters gathered at Gary Avenue and North Avenue. That's where we return to the woman you saw at the beginning.
Somebody get on the PA. Go ahead and go straight. Jesus. Be careful.
That's enough. That's enough. Stop. Stop resisting. Put your arms behind your back. Just stop resisting.
I can't see. I'm black.
Stop resisting.
I can't see. I'm black.
Stop.
I can't see. Give me. Oh, this is a killer.
Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop pulling away.
This is a killer right here. This
I'll
is
grab
the killer that was in my uncle's
Stop
video.
resisting.
Right here. He right here. That's
got him. Don't worry. Austin, take these. I'm gonna go help CJ. Yeah.
What do you need?
My mama who just lost a son that y'all killed in cold blood.
Okay.
Y'all can't arrest nobody for it.
You cannot do this in the roadway.
Y'all get some people.
I'm sorry, you cannot do this in the roadway.
Mike,
It's not illegal.
Do
To have a peaceful protest.
whether you like it or not.
No, you may not
Whether we like it,
So it's not
whether you like it or not,
You
we
get
can do
arrested.
it. We can do it. We just did it.
You don't care about
Then
that.
we
Mike,
just do it.
listen to me.
That's
crazy.
You remember me?
Then we just do it.
Just do me a
officers,
favor.
y'all
You
full of shit.
can
That's crazy.
stay out here.
This is a peaceful protest. Y'all
Mike,
can't arrest our
Mike.
family.
Mike, you can't go in the street. That's all we're saying.
They
That's all we're saying.
ma'am, since it's like that, y'all gonna arrest them. Why all us not arrested?
Because you guys weren't in the
Yes, we
Okay.
was.
Right.
Well, then
You obeyed. You obeyed.
Ain't no-
Okay.
You
Mike.
look like you racist and you talk like you
Mike.
you guys obey.
You talk like you
You're
racist.
not going to jail.
Ain't no obey.
You want to come back then you will.
Y'all can't hold them.
Stay
Stay out of the
stay
road.
out of the road.
Stay out.
Now, I walk over there.
No,
I walk
racist cops. This is the world that y'all feel. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. You don't care. You probably go home every day. You don't care. Y'all can't arrest nobody for no peaceful protest.
Whose car is this?
What happened?
Who's in 602?
What are the OIG?
I'm gonna move it back. Who's in 602? Whose car is that?
What number?
602. Plum? Where's he at?
Right there. Plum's right here.
Let me move it.
Don't fucking touch me.
Thank you.
There's 2 females here. There's another female across the street. 5? Looks like 5.
Wig off.
Listen, can you
You
talk to me
gotta
for a
pull my
second?
wig off. I don't get no. You a killer.
Talk to me for a second.
No, y'all are killers.
Trying to get this
Y'all
taken
are
care of.
killers.
They have a job.
I don't care.
They have.
I don't care, bitch. Bitch, don't talk to me. Take me to jail then. Fuck. Go get the
Just sit
vehicle and
tight.
take
Hold
me.
on.
Let me sit down then. Stop talking to me. I'm trying to stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. They gonna hurt me. Y'all man's already going. Y'all think y'all not gonna get in trouble? Y'all kill me like y'all kill my uncle. Kill me like y'all kill my uncle.
Has she been searched?
I don't got shit. I don't have shit.
Okay.
I don't have shit. I don't. And I'm not scared of y'all. I'm not. And I'm not scared of y'all. I'm not. And I don't give a about y'all taking me to jail. This don't mean shit to me. Because I can't get my uncle back. So, oh, well.
It's okay, man. It's okay. I need you to trust me. You hear me? I need you to trust me.
Hey, Maz. I'm gonna leave your car there, but I'm gonna get my car off the road.
As of today, no criminal charges have been filed against the officers involved in the shooting of Isaac Goodloe III. The DuPage County State's Attorney formally declined prosecution after reviewing body camera footage, physical evidence, and the independent investigation. The officer identified as firing the fatal shot is no longer employed by the department. Meanwhile, the federal civil lawsuit filed by Goodloe's family remains active and will proceed under a lower evidentiary standard than a criminal case, focusing on alleged constitutional violations rather than criminal guilt. Regarding the protest, multiple arrests were made at the Gary Avenue and North Avenue intersection. The woman featured in the body camera footage was arrested for disorderly conduct and resisting or obstructing a peace officer. Any final adjudication of those charges will depend on standard criminal proceedings, including proof beyond a reasonable doubt. At this stage, the criminal investigation into the shooting is closed at the state level. The civil case is ongoing, and the protest-related charges move through the local court system. Thanks for watching. If you found this legal breakdown informative, like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below.